Right, I'm just going to do a little experiment. This is some snow that's been laying on the ground since whatever day the snow fell last week. Was it Thursday? Wednesday? Whatever day. We've had heavy rain since then. It's not melted. So I'm intrigued to see A, how fast it melts, and B, how much water is left in that cup at the bottom. Be interesting. So I will record the time now. What is the time now? The time now is 10 past 3. So 10 past 3 it looks like that, and then I shall come back at 3:30. Stove's on, it's reasonably warm. It's definitely a lot warmer than outside. I've just been on the roof fixing a leak. Hopefully it's dealt with now finally. Live in hope. Anyway, let's see what happens. Right, so that's 10 minutes it's had in the cup so far. I don't see any sign of any melt at all. Like I say, it's been sat on the ground for what, 4 or 5 days, and has had heavy rain on it, you name on it, still not gone. This is going to be interesting, definitely. Every 10 minutes I'll do an update. So it's half an hour now since I started this experiment. It's pretty warm in here now. It's probably about 20 degrees, I think, comfortably. Maybe even warmer over here. There's a tiny bit of melt going on, slightly, slowly. That's half an hour. I can actually see it melting. Very, very slowly, slight changes in glistening. So I'll try again in 10 minutes if I remember. I'm doing loads of stuff, so. Oh. Right, that's 50 minutes since I started this experiment. There's a little bit of melt. We'll see. 1 hour later. Still there, isn't it? It's hot in here, like I say. The stove's on, kettle's on. Just made some eggs. Drying some wood. Yeah, 1 hour later. That's how far it's gone. So see how little water's left at the bottom of the end there. Not a lot. 90 minutes later. Still there. Well and truly still there. It is gradually going. Possibly about a third so far. The stove is going pretty well. The screen's a bit, the glass is a bit black. However, kettle's boiling. So it's pretty warm. I reckon the air temperature must be 20 odd easily. I'm in a t-shirt and I'm comfortably warm. So, don't know. Let's see how much longer it takes, eh? So, it's just coming up to nearly 2 hours since I brought this snow in from outside. And bearing in mind, this snow's been on the ground since Thursday. It hadn't been walked on or anything, it's just a patch of snow. It's not compressed into the cup, it's just put in the cup. And nearly 2 hours, it's hot in here now. Like, the air temperature here must be 25 easily, comfortably, maybe more. And as you can see, it's not exactly rapidly melting. I'd be interested to see how little water that is at the end. At the moment it looks like about half a cup, however, that could be deceiving because you've still got a big lump of allegedly snow, although I would say it's more like ice. And it's not even been cold outside today. It's been raining, so it can't have been anything less than 5 degrees, otherwise there'd be snow on the hills, because that's the way it works, as a rule. There you go, so 2 hours in. Oh, where are we at? 17:17, so that is 2 hours and 6 minutes since I began this experiment. We've still got snow. Looks like, yeah, there's loads left yet. I reckon probably another half hour before it's melted at least. Filming got cut short. I've just had a phone call. However, we are now, oh, what time did I start? I think it's something like 3.5 hours later. I'd have to check. I'll have to go back and work out exactly what time I started. However, It's still there. Look. Still there. It's boiling in here. This air temperature, 20, 25 comfortably. Easily. And it's still there. So it is now 2 hours 40 minutes since I began. As you can see, there's tiny little bit left. Probably not long now. 3 hours 40, I tell a lie. Mega. It has officially melted. And that's what we've got. Half a cup of water. It's probably about right on water. However, best part of 4 hours that took to melt. Next to a warm stove, in a warm room. This cup is not insulated, it's just a single stainless steel cup. Simple as that. And there you go, nearly 4 hours.